In a bold stride toward the future of underwater robotics, China has unveiled a new class of naval drone swarms inspired by the majestic motion of manta rays. These stealthy submersibles are not just about mimicking marine life, they represent a strategic fusion of biological elegance and military innovation. Developed by scientists at Northwestern Polytechnical University, these drones mark the evolution of a two-decade research journey that began in 2006 and is now surfacing with operational prototypes weighing up to 720 kilograms. Unlike traditional underwater drones, these manta ray inspired vehicles glide silently through water using flapping wing propulsion, offering exceptional maneuverability, energy efficiency, and low acoustic signatures. Recent tests in the South China Sea saw a 460 kilogram variant descend over 1,000 meters, proving its deep sea viability and hinting at combat readiness in strategically sensitive regions. But what sets this innovation apart isn't just its design, it's the way these drones think and swim together. Drawing directly from real world manta ray formations, Chinese researchers have developed a trio based swarm model that enhances group efficiency. In tandem formations, the middle unit receives a hydrodynamic boost from the leader, reducing energy consumption, a unique feature not yet mirrored by Western counterparts like DARPA's manta ray program. This trio model acts as a modular building block for scalable, coordinated swarms capable of navigating complex missions with precision and minimal power draw. Integrated with high-grade sonar, optical systems, and China's Beidou satellite navigation, these drones aren't just agile, they're intelligent. They're built to observe coral reefs, scan ocean floors, and, with future versions, potentially engage in reconnaissance or even armed deployments. While similar concepts exist globally, including Singapore's Mantadroid and the US Sea Hunter, none combine biomimicry, swarm dynamics, and real world deployment at this scale or speed. This isn't just research for academia, it's a blueprint for next generation underwater warfare and surveillance. China is actively working on larger, more capable versions of these drones, aiming for military grade applications as early as this year. The implications are enormous, from anti submarine missions to persistent ocean surveillance in contested zones like the South China Sea. So, what does this mean for the rest of the world? It's a wake up call. The age of autonomous, intelligent, and biologically inspired naval drones has arrived, and China is swimming far ahead of the pack. If you're intrigued by the intersection of biology and military technology, or if you're tracking global underwater defense trends, this is one story you can't afford to ignore. Subscribe for deep dives into defense tech, robotics, and global military innovation. And don't forget to hit that like button to support science driven content.